Hi, Prasanna. This is Hassan Imam. I will be your PT trainer.
Okay, so fine.
Okay, so now you can go with your doubts because it is a demo session. So, what sort of problems or
Okay,
what
sure, sir.
what do you want with the class?
Okay, fine. So actually, I'm planning for migrating to Australia. So I need an eligible score which is of. So I have been appeared for my academic exam on last September 13. So I
Mhm.
got overall score of 61, but I am actually good with the marks in speaking as well as in listening part, but I am completely low on my reading and writing part. So where I can't be able to score the desired required. So that's the reason I'm planning for coaching where I can learn some better strategies and a better structured language for writing as well as reading. So where I can achieve my desired score.
Okay, see, Prasanna. So, as we discussed, have you seen the videos? Did you try to understand the way I was dealing or the way I was teaching? Are you okay with that?
Yeah, I'm actually okay with that. So, but the main thing what I specifically necessary is nothing, but I want some deep
Strategies.
strategy to,
Yes, fine.
yeah,
So let's try to solve some questions. I'm trying to connect with you some reading
okay,
right away.
sure.
Fine. See,
Okay,
this is
yeah,
PT materials I'm picking, right?
yeah,
So this is reorder paragraphs, right?
okay, yeah,
So here you need to discuss about reorder paragraphs. So
mm,
in reorder paragraphs, there is always an opening statement, right?
yeah,
And there is a closing statement. So, how to
mm,
find out the opening statement? So, the opening statement, what if I talk about the word clearly? A number of factors, right,
yeah,
have contributed to its remarkable appearance. So, because of its remarkable appearance, try to understand its remarkable appearance. So, this is pronoun, right?
yes, sir.
So noun, we need to find out noun here. So pronoun without noun is not possible. Hence, it is out, right?
Mm,
One more reason to make it out, that is clearly. So clearly is connectors.
yeah,
Therefore, it is out, right?
yeah,
Next, what if I talk about, yes, the result is a unique story. The result is the marker of
is
conclusion,
also out.
right?
Yeah,
So we have found that the closing one, right?
yeah,
So B is the closing one, that is fixed,
closing one. Yeah,
right? Now let's talk about experts who have analyzed the rock formations. The rock, the means repetition of the idea,
Rip.
right?
Yes, sir.
So even it goes back, again it's pronoun. Therefore, it is
Mm,
out.
out.
So next, as I told you, the opening statement will be more into a general statement. So
Mm.
what if you read D or E? So could you pick the right one?
The answer might be D, sir.
Absolutely correct. See, anyone who has ever visited the Grand Canyon. So Grand Canyon
Yeah.
looks like a name of a park, a name of a
Mm,
mountain, or a series, right? So
yeah.
something which is more into a general. So therefore, D will
Mm.
be the opening statement,
Opening statement.
right? However, we
Yes,
have
sir.
left with one. So let's also talk that one,
Mm.
E part. So in case of E,
Okay.
the geological processes that have taken, again, the geological processes.
Yeah.
Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
The geological processes. So again, because of this, it is out. So D become more logical answer.
Yeah.
Now we need to connect what? The A
Yes,
and
sir.
then B. So
Mm.
we have picked D as the opening statement. What if I talk about clearly? So clearly is a marker of connectors
Yes, sir.
along with its remarkable
Mm.
appearance. Whose remarkable appearance? Grand Canyon.
The Grand Canyon.
So it will be Grand Canyon,
Mm.
D, and then A. Are you
Mm.
getting my point?
Yeah, sir.
So now D and A, B we are done. So now two is two
Yeah.
is left. So you decide after A, what should be C, or after A, there is E.
Experts who analyzed, I think so. Option is C.
Right. So D, A, C, E, and
E.
B.
Yeah.
B is the last one, no?
Yeah,
So
sir.
D, A, C, E, and B. Right.
Yeah,
This
sir.
is the way we do reorder paragraphs. Same.
Paragraph.
Let's. I'm
Yeah.
picking third one. No, fourth
Okay.
one. Let's talk about fourth one. Now you decide this one. A, B, C, D. So it is important to register for sessions with the industry. The conference is a part of the career counseling, or students will be able to speak, or the university will host its second annual arts and commerce career readiness.
Option C will be the first. Students will be able to speak with the industry professional undergraduates
But how the
who
people
had.
will speak? Students will be able to speak with industry professionals and graduates who had the
Mm.
benefit of this assistance last year. I don't think so. It is making any general statement. Either it should be B, read, or either it should be D. So, what if I talk
Mm.
about the university will host its second annual Arts and Commerce Career Readiness Conference on campus next month? Before that, the
Okay.
word, the conference is a part of the career counseling. It seems more into a general statement,
Mm.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So, this will be the more into a general statement.
Mm.
So you can connect with B as a opening statement. However, I'm just giving you idea. You need to justify.
Okay. Option D is the first, sir. Yeah,
Good.
probably the university will be the cost. It will be the first, and according to that, next it will be the
The university
option A,
will
which is the
host its
second one.
second annual Arts and Commerce Career Readiness Conference on
Yeah.
campus next month. Now,
Yeah.
the conference is
The
the part of career
conference.
counseling,
Mm.
right? Then students will
Yeah.
be able to speak with the industry professionals. And for
Mm.
that, one has to register.
Yeah.
Are you getting my point now?
Yeah, sir.
These are the way that we solve the questions. Now, till
Mm.
now, you have any question because it is a demo session. So we won't be able to complete any specific topic entirely.
Mm.
However, we can discuss the problem area and then you can plan. And from tomorrow, if you wish, we can plan the sessions.
Oh, okay, sir. So this is what I actually need. So I need an strategy to find a linking words and which is the opening statement and the closing statement, as well as in the reading filling the blanks. I want to know about the
No
grammar
problem.
part.
So let's talk about reading fill in the
Yeah,
blanks.
yeah.
See this one.
Okay.
So, what if I say, want to know what will make you happy? Then ask a total stranger. Or so says a new study from Harvard University, which shows that another person experience is often often more. So, it should be informative. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
So let's talk about often more informal or formal, but it is not making any sense with the context. Why? Because the another's person experience cannot be formal, informal. It can be positive
Yes.
and negative. So that is possible. The person experience is more often more predictable. No, experience is real. So it cannot be
Mm.
predictable. So
Predictable.
informal and predictable both are out of the scope. Two things are left, informative and positive. Here it should be person's experience is either positive or informative. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So what do you think, which one is the more suitable?
Positive.
Right. The same is the answer. So this is the way we try to pick the answer. Now see the gap.
Okay.
See the gap of this. Now your answer,
Mm.
your fill in the blank part is here. So you can start from here to save time.
Okay. Okay.
See the gap. Gap is from here to here. Now you need to start from here, this one, to
Okay.
understand. If you want to know how much you will enjoy and experience, you are better off knowing how much someone else enjoyed. enjoyed it than knowing anything about the experience itself, says Gilbert. Rather than closing closing our eyes and visualizing, predicting, imitating, imagining. So imitating is not possible after closing the eyes, right?
Yeah, sir.
Predicting is also not connected with closing the eyes. So visualizing and
Answer
imagine,
is visualizing the future
right?
or imagine.
Visualizing
Yeah,
or imagining. So
imagining. But
these are the keywords that we understand
mm,
with reading fill in the blanks, reading and writing fill in the blanks.
okay.
Now, do you have any question? I have already shared you a complete lecture over there
Yeah,
on
sir.
YouTube. You can check out how I have taught over there. And I think
Okay.
you might be able to get the date of the recording.
Yes.
So probably 1 year back. So there is no any, I mean, there is no any, what I can say, something that I can hide you over there.
Mm,
And with my face, you can connect over there.
okay.
So, do you have any other question to discuss? So, please discuss.
No, sir. I am okay with it. So we can go with further.
Hmm.
So I want your help on my writing part. So maximum on essay rating also.
Okay. So, as I told you,
Yeah.
in summarized
Mm,
written text, what
mm,
generally people try to pick two, three sentences from the top, middle,
yeah.
and last, and then try
Yes.
to connect with some conjunctions.
Yes.
But
That's
your
true.
job is to not exactly do like that. You need to do one
Mm,
thing. You need to read the passage and you have
mm,
to crisp. You have to get the crisp of the information. It means the central idea or the summary.
okay.
Like whatever you read, the information in shortcut should be the complete
Mm,
information of the passage. Though it is in
okay.
shortcut, but it should be in the, what I can say,
Complete meaning.
complete meaning, sense.
Yeah.
The sense should be there in a complete way.
Okay, sir. I understand.
Other
Okay, sir.
question?
So I'm just okay with the thing. I'll be checking with further the consult
Yeah.
salesperson and we can
Yes,
connect.
that will be
So
much
what
better.
will be the class timings?
Morning time,
Okay, sir. So
we
what
can
time it
keep
will
it
be
around
starting?
7:30 to 8:30.
Yeah, sure, sir. Sure, sure, sure. Yeah,
That will be much better for us.
yeah.
7:30 to 8:30.
Yeah, sir. It will be better.
Or let me plan what we can do. Yeah, that's fine. 7:30 to 8:30.
Okay. Even before also it's no issues because I'll be waking up at 5 o'clock. So after that I'll be completely free. So
Okay, so let's try tomorrow then.
uh,
7 to 8.
okay, okay, so sure.
If I get late or if you will be like getting late, so we will discuss or
Mm,
we will have a discussion over the call. But I'll try
okay, sure, sure.
between
Mm,
7 to 8.
okay, sure, sure, sure.
Any question?
No, sir, I am done with the questions.
Fine.